Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. You know, I might have known that if a mission starts badly, it probably will end badly. All three of our airfields are under attack and we need to scramble to get up there fast. Sure, we could have respawned at one of the rear airfields where all the top brass are sitting drinking their cognac, but where's the fun in that? It really annoys me when somebody puts dirt on my aeroplane. Time to get this puppy off the ground. Ach, geschwitten Hemmenwitz. Please note that attempting to take off with less than 1.5 wings on a BF-109 is not recommended. Okay, so where were we? Yes, coming up on the Russian airfield where our guys are taking some flak. So the question is, do I fly down there through the thick of it all to destroy the anti-aircraft position? Don't be ridiculous. That's far too dangerous. I'm going to stay up here where it's relatively safe and provide some fighter cover. Although in today's scenario it's more a case of providing the illusion of fighter cover. So from this lofty position, let's assess the situation. We've got a P-39 and a Yak. And I am pleased to see that there are a couple of German fighters already engaged. So let's see if I can lend a hand. Never fear, Ninny's here. So what is this Yak up to? Which way is he heading? To the right and up. He's too close to me. I'll have to abort him. Clipped him. So instead of following the Yak down and losing my energy advantage, I'm going to go for the P-39 instead. But I built up too much energy and I'm going to climb back up. By exchanging airspeed for altitude, I gain the energy advantage. So long as I keep my airspeed above my best climb speed of 290, the aircraft will continue to climb magnificently. I'm now in a position to call the shots on this guy below me. He starts on his ground run, but he sees me and breaks it off. He's hoping I'll chase him in a turning fight, but I prefer to climb to intercept the P-39. Couple of hits on him, but I'm going to maintain the advantage. Just when I have him in my sights, I get hit by flak from the airfield. But despite the damage, the aircraft still seems to be holding together, so I'm going to continue the attack. But at the same time, head back towards my own airfield. I have these two fellows chasing me, and with the damaged aircraft, it's just a matter of time before they catch me. So I'm seeking to get to my airfield as quickly as possible, where there should be some anti-aircraft fire to bother them, and if I do have an engine failure, I'll be able to land. So now I'm at the airfield, I can turn around and start trying to attack them. But listen to my engine, that's not good. He's doing a gun run on a target. gets hit by flak, and I should be able to come and finish him off. His engine is dead, and I'm carrying a little too much speed to keep up with him in the turn. Oh, and now my engine's in trouble, so I'm going to get this thing on the ground. So, gear down, full flap and a serious side slip, and I should be able to get down. So 250 as the flaps are extending to full and holding that side slip. I have a great tutorial on how to use side slips to get you down safely. And notice that it's quite sloppy in the way it flies at just above 200. The engine dies and touchdown, but the gear fails. So, a successful mission with a bad start. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your comments and your input. If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please